Hi and good evening everyone. My name is MAISARAH binti AIZAT. My matrix number is 33 DFO 24F 2036 and I'm from DFO 1B, and today I'm going to talk about palm oil plantation. And the first one is the harvest time. Palm fruits typically ripen every 10 to 15 days at Malaysia, more so in Johor. All year around, harvest is practiced thanks to the steady tropical climate at the area. And palm fruit harvest once it becomes reddish orange, a sign of mature fruit. And my second point is palm fruit size, the weight and yield. One bunch of oil palm fruit can weigh between 10 kg and 25 kg depending on the tree's health and age. The fruit itself is small, approximately the size of large grape, but a mature tree will produce 20 to 25 bunches annually. This amount to an average of 3.5 to 5 tons of crude palm oil per hectare annually. The third one is palm oil plantation examples in Johor. The first one is Saim Darby plantation in Ulu Tiram. It's one of the largest commercial plantation. It gives a high priority to sustainable practice and cutting-edge harvesting technique. The second one is in IOI plantation Kluang, famous for large-scale production and advanced research into palm oil breeding and yield improvement. The fourth point is transportation types and timing. Fresh fruit bunches (FFB) are quickly shipped after harvesting in order to previous foliage. Standard transportation vehicles are tractor trailers or lorries for local short distance in plantation. The second one is heavy duty transport truck to the mill. Ideally, FFBs are transport to the processing mills within 24 hours of harvesting to preserve oil quality. Timing is everything. Harvesting typically begins early in the morning and transport is arranged immediately after loading to prevent the midday heat. Alright, thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Vishalan Vijey. Matric number is 33DF424F 2009. So today I am talking about palm oil milling. Palm oil progress. First, reception of fresh fruit bunch. Second, sterilizing. Third, threshing. Fourth, pressing. Fifth, clarification. Sixth, purification. 7, drying. 8, kernel recovery and processing. 9, storage. After that, function of each process. Cellulation, stop enzyme activity and soften fruits. Threshing, separates fruitlets from bunch stalks. Digestion, breaks down fruitlet to release oil. Pressing, extract crude palm oil from bulb. Clarification, remove impurities from the extract oil. Palm kernel extraction, extract palm kernel oil from kernels. Byproducts, utilize EFB, shells and fiber for energy or other purpose. Refining, optional step to purify the crude oil. The product produced after milling progress. Main product, crude palm oil, CPO. Description, crude palm oil, CPO is the primary product obtained from the milling process. It is extracted from the flesh or mesocarp of the palm fruit. Uses, food industry, cooking oil, margarine and shortening, cosmetics and personal care, soap, shampoo and skincare products. Storage and transportation type. Storage tanks. After extraction and clarification, crude palm oil is typically stored in large temperature controlled tanks. The storage tank should be clean, insulated and airtight to maintain oil quality and prevent contamination. The storage tanks are usually equipped with temperature control system to prevent the oil from becoming too solid or spoiling. And quality control. The storage facility must also have system for monitoring moisture content, temperature, and any potential contaminant. And bulk storage. In large mills, crude palm oil is stored in bulk, which is either sent directly to refiners or storage silos. Transportation tanks. By tanker trucks, special trucks with insulated tanks move the oil from mills to refineries or storage places. By rail or pipelines. In some areas, oil is transported in large amount using train or pipelines over long distance. By ships, for export, palm oil is loaded into large ships with special tanks to keep it in good condition during long trips.
Hi and good morning. My name is SHEMMA ANAK and my number matrix is 33DFO24F2059. Today I will present about palm oil refining process. First process is fuming. Number 2 is decolorization. Number 3 is deodorization. Number 4 is fractionation, and the last one is refining palm oil. The first process is beguming. Function of beguming is to remove gum, like phospholipid and other impurities, by treating oil with water or acid. Number 2 is decolorization. Function of decolorization is remove natural pigment, especially carotenoid and chlorophylls. Number 3 is deodorization. Function of deodorization is remove unpleasant odors. Number 4 is fractionation. Function of fractionation is improve product quality, prevent oil from clouding or solidifying in cooler environment. In this slide, I will tell about the product produced after refining product. First one is separation. This is the first and most fundamental step. Number 2 is conversion. After separation, the heavier fraction are often not as useful in the original chemically changed through process. Number 3 is treatment. In this final stage, the products are preferred as a chance. The last slide, I will tell about the storage and transportation types. The first one is storage. Storage type crude palm oil CPO storage. They use a tank. The tank is large vertical or horizontal steel tank. Meanwhile, transportation type is they use tanker truck that can insulated and heated tanker for land transport.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is ZULFAN bin Zulizi. My matric number is 33DFO24F2049. I will present to you guys about palm oil product manufacturing, edible and non-edible product. Two palm oil based product. The first product is margarine. Margarine is an edible product. Margarine is an edible product because it is made from stale food ingredients such as vegetable oils, water, salt and sometimes meat. The second product is soap. Soap is non-edible product. Soap is non-edible product because it is made from chemical like sodium hydroxide. They are harmful if swallowed. The second thing is ingredient product and process. The first product is margarine. Ingredient of margarine is refined palm oil, water, salt, emulsifier, citric acid, vitamin A and D. And then product process. Product process is oil refining. Palm oil is refined, bleached and deodorized to remove impurities. Blending. Palm oil is mixed with other oils, fats to achieve desired texture. Emulsification. Water, salt and emulsifier blended into the oils to form an emulsion. Cooling and crystallization. The mixture is rapidly cooled and churned to form a semi-solid texture. Packaging. The final product is packed into tubes or wrapped blocks. At the slide, I will put the flowchart how to production process about measuring. The second product is soap. Ingredient how to do a soap. The first thing we need palm oil, water, sodium hydroxide, and we can put also fragrance, colorants, and essential oils. The production process is live, solution, pollution. Sodium hydroxide is dissolved in water, oil melting, emulsification, water, salt and emulsifier blended into the oils to form emulsion. Cooling and crystallization, the mixture is rapidly cooled and churned to form a semi-solid texture. Packaging, the final product is packed into tubes or wrapped blocks. The usage function of the product. First product is measuring. Used as a prep on bread, baking pastries and cooking various dishes. The function is provides a buttery flavor, moisture and richness to food. The second product is soap. Used for personal hygiene such as hand washing, bathing and cleaning. The function is for cleanses the skin by removing dirt, oil and bacteria. The storage condition. Measuring. You should put in a cool place, preferably in a refrigerator. Protect from direct sunlight to prevent melting or spoilage. Soap. Store in a dry and cool place. Ensure good air circulation to avoid moisture build up, which can soften the soap. That's all for me. Thank you so much.